Hey guys, another beautiful day here in out Edmonton, Alberta. Just doing another hike on a different trail. Checking out the scenery and seeing what we have for nature. Here's some birds in the background. Well, spin you around and hear the birds in the background. Yeah, so guys, so join me on my next adventure here. See where we go, where the trail leads and what we find. A nice peaceful day here. Beautiful day. Sitting by the river, listening to the calm river as it floats by. Got some birds in the distance. Definitely nice and quiet, peaceful, relaxing. I could sit here all day. See what the water is like and what the temperature is here. If I don't fall in. Yeah, it's warm. Oh, let's move this adventure to another spot now. See what we can find. Well, if you want to see where I'm going next, just come along with me. A little private beach down here. Definitely have to say it's a beautiful day here. Perfect day for adventuring. Well guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe, give a thumbs up. And yeah, thanks for all your support. Got over 100 subscribers now. So my next goal will be 500 subscribers. All right, guys, have a good day. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.